Blue Warriors are the people's dependence on any time, anywhere, and every occasion. Royal Thai Armed Forces Headquarters by Development Command help people who suffer from conflagration in Udon Thani Province area. On the 16th of June 2023, Major General Mom Luang Pravi Chakapan, Director of the Development Office Region 2, Royal Thai Armed Forces Development Command, organized fasting moving disaster relief team, Royal Thai Armed Forces Development Office Region 2, for people with one drum truck, one small backhoe and one small truck. Collaborate with the government and people in Prajak Silapakom district area, assisted in the rehabilitation of fire victim houses, บ้านเมืองปังหมู่ 11 Umjang Sub-District, Prajak Silapakom district, Udon Thani Province area, to household by cleaning and moving debris damaged by the accident of the area, to be helping rehabilitate in the next order. Thank you everyone for your like, sharing and subscribe us. ขอบคุณค่ะ